Hello and welcome to another Cardfight Vanguard unboxing. Today with Revival Selection Special Series 9. I still don't know a lot about Cardfight Vanguard. I just like to look at shiny cards. And as far as I know, this is some kind of a reprint set of very playable cards. And yeah, let's see how they are. I just found them on a German online store for cheap. I think this was an expensive box, but somehow they won't be able to get rid of it, so they sold it very cheaply. I think for 40 euro. So yeah, this is the box topper PR card. Zero's Dragon of Distant Sea. Nice. Nice looking sea dragon. And yeah, let's go into the packs. There are a lot of packs in this. Okay, the shiny card is in the beginning. So a triple rare right on the front. Sweet Angel. Encourage. Okay, is it like everything shiny in this box? Floral Paladin. I don't know. This looks like a fairy. I'm scared. Swordsman of Light. Blasted Javelin. Oh, more of these knights. I am really not into human knights. But he has a cyber doggo. Good boy or girl, I don't know. King of Knights Alfred. Okay, these were like 3 cards in a row that I don't really like. Oh, and another knight. Man, I hope this set is not like very heavily knight themed. Holy Divine Knight. And Holy Beast. Okay, another good boy. It's more like a wolf. More like one of these legendary doggos from Pokemon. But yeah, did we get like all triple rare or have I missed something? It's like everything a triple rare. So yeah, it looks like this really was a premium set. Oh, and I like this artwork. Looks a bit like she has a Palantir from the Lord of the Rings. Oh, a bird. Psychic bird. Oh, excuse me. That's a beautiful artwork. Reminds me a bit of the Kea birds in New Zealand, which are very cool and really cool creatures. And yeah, higher bell, no, higher deity protecting. Okay. Cone Magus. Spiritual Sword. Stillwater Festival deity. Okay. This time we get like more female characters, which is nice. Not so many human male knights. But yeah, I'm still confused if there are different variations of the card or are there like all just triple rares? Okay, ready for play. Mecha Trainer. Weird. Jelly beans. I remember jelly beans like something to eat with different flavors. At least these are the jelly beans I know from Germany. And yeah, what is this? Okay. Sometimes it feels like the packs are put together like intentionally, like we get all of these uh yeah, these characters that fit together. Very weird. It's not feeling like the packs are really random. Hmm. This is oh a dolphin. Dolphin soldier of leaping windy seas. He looks friendly, but he wants to kill, I guess. Supersonic sailor. Yeah, and this is like marine themed or aqua themed. I don't know. Yeah, like a seahorse. Okay, this is a man, but I like this artwork. This looks cool. Blue Wave Armor General. Yeah, it really looks like the packs are have a topic like a theme booster. Very weird. Oh, a Kit Kat. Monochrome of Nightmare Land. Cute. It's just 2 tails, one white and one black. Yellow Bolt. This is Sinitze from Demon Slayer. And Dimension Creeper. A vampire. Another vampire. Okay, what is this? There's so much going on the card. I can barely tell what do I see. There's the head. Is this the head? Okay, this is a bit too much. Oh, this is cool. Succubus. Nice. Balls, Dark Wings. So yeah, this was like a dark theme booster with the vampires and succubus and everything. This is a Joker, Prankster Girl. Pardon me, I'm coming. I'm coming in. Okay, I was thinking of something different. Purple. Okay, what mystical beast is this? Chimera. My recent complaint being treated as a Pegasus. Okay, this is kind of funny. Like a bat. Oh, and I like the bird. Funny bird. But yeah, sometimes there's so much going on the card, so much from the artwork that, yeah, some parts are barely visible with all the fancy foiling. Masquerade Master Harry. And Megatrick Cothard. Yeah, it looks like in a circus. Mermaids! Yes! I have opened a mermaid themed set. Hope you have seen it or maybe take a look after this unboxing. But yeah, I like to see some more mermaids. That's finally our time to shine. But yes, probably some of these are reprints from the set that I've opened. The Twinkle Sparkle Melody. I don't know, what was the name? Very cute. Oh, what is this? There's a limit to how much the songs can be interrupted. Yeah, but maybe I'm just blind, but for me, I just found that all of them are like triple rares. I hope I haven't missed like a big hit. Maybe you can tell me in the comments if I have. So this is like steampunk, maybe? No, don't get my hopes up. Now we've got like this mecha dragons. And I was hoping for steampunk. What is this? Beer log? Ah, it's a funny artwork. Okay, cute ghosts. With an eye patch. More ghost. Yeah, okay, ghost samurai. Hey there, girl, how about dying? Yeah, this is the kind I hit on girls too. I should write this down. Oh man. Oh, cute. He has a castle as a crown, some kind. And another demon girl. Yeah, there's some nice art. You can really take some time and look at all of the details of the artworks. That's something that I really like. And then Angel, Surgery Angel. Battle Cupid. Love Machine Gun. Love Machine Gun Kelly. No seal. Yeah, okay. I like these angel-themed cards. Oh, but now we get something with texture. It's an angel. I'm happy that it's not something like mechanical or... Yeah. That's cool. It's an SP of Holy Seraph Surreal. With dark black wings like Albedo. Very nice. So yeah, maybe I really haven't missed any high hit. Okay, this is a cool looking mechanical crow. Or raven, it's not a crow. Oh, and the owl. I like animal artworks a lot. That's cool. But then we get again humans. What is this? Okay, another like humanoid dragon. And the paladin elf. Okay. Dark dragon, bloodmaker dragon. Yeah, maybe one thing I saw a lot of in Cardfight Vanguard is that the dragons are so humanoid, like I don't know, they don't really feel or look like dragons to me. They look too much like humans. This is a nice looking spider. More spiders? Oh, an insect. Don't struggle, it's unsightly. Lawless mutant deity. Another insect? Oh, cute. But the art, I really have to say the art for these cards is sometimes really, really awesome. Another good boy doggo. Sunrise Ray Radiant Sword, okay. Yeah, more. Now we are getting like all of the male knights. Nah. But we got a best boy. Golden Beast. Oh, it's more, it's like a cat. But a cat with a sword in the mouth. Maybe the owner wasn't able to open the tuna can. So yeah, the cat thinks I want to open my tuna can myself. What a cool artwork. Yeah, more waifus. And then we get again. It was a waifu bait. We get more of these mechanical battle roids. I don't know. Yeah, these, I don't really like them. These transformer things, I just don't care. I just like Neon Genesis Evangelion with the robots, but beside them, I don't really care a lot. Star Vader, now more of these like Cyber Dragon, Cyber Reed. Oh, cute. Goddess of Sound Sleep. Really like the kimono, or is it a kimono? The dress and the butterfly on her head. Hmm. Witch of Oranges. This looks like really traditional. Witch of Grapes. Oh, and another oil artwork. Minerva. I think there's a set with this character on the box. I haven't opened it yet, or I haven't bought it yet, but seen it. Goddess of Seven Colors. This was a nice pack again with some more female characters and less robots. And what is this? Orang Utan, but what? Why does he have these? It looks like from school. I don't know how you call it in English. This is weird. Oh god, we've got the furry pack. Ooh, okay, Rhino. What is this? Like a raccoon, maybe? Or a panda? I don't know. This really looks like the Fury pack. Omniscience Dragon. And the monkey. Oh, for a second I was scared. For a second I thought this is textured, and I was like, no, I get one more textured hit and it's a stupid monkey. Oh, but we get more. Cute artwork. Maiden of Cladius. Oh, very heavily like flower themed. That's cute. Yeah, this is a good pack again. And then we get a man in the back. Why? It looks like he has for some flower petals too in the artwork. A dragon, Inspire Yell Dragon. Lizard Soldier. Yeah, sometimes it's weird how they mix art styles. Like we have this very cartoonish, cute looking, and then we have this super or these more realistic looking, dark themed. Really weird to me how they put these together and mix these up. And this is a nice comic artwork or like a manga artwork. And the big bird. So many shiny cards. Crazy. Dragon Dancer. Draconic. Okay, Mystic Wisdom. Noble. A Thunder Dragon. Okay. But we have still 4 packs left. Maybe we can get one more. One more textured hit, please. And please not a robot or anything. Ah, yeah. No, 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 no. I don't feel these. What is this? Stealth Fiend, the rumor collapse. Oh. So maybe this is like some Japanese folklore. I don't know how to call it. Like the yokai themed. Another dragon. Okay, more dragons now. And then again a demon and another abyss dragon. Okay. Dino dragon. Dinos. Okay, dinos? No, not more dinos. Like an armored cat. Smilodon, okay. Yeah, but this looks like a bit of a triceratops, maybe. Oh, and this is looking like a triceratops. Dino dragon. Maybe a textured hit? A textured dino? No. Sad. Still, yeah, cool artworks. I like this booster pack. Last booster pack for this unboxing. Yeah, let me know what do you think about this box. It's very shiny. Like everything is special and shiny. And yeah, I like a lot of the artwork, to be honest. It can take a lot of time to see all of the details. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you in my next unboxing. We end up with another triple rare. Nice demon girl. So yeah, see you in my next unboxing. Bye.